advent calendar again. Well, we're trying to find number 9. It's somewhere tricky. Oh, number 9. I see a Whopper. Right there. I think right there. Then we're gonna... Oh, I already feel it.
Yeah, pull it out.
Rip it open. Or
You need some help?
or easy way.
No.
Boom.
Oh,
Ah!
it's not a robber.
Or the top. Add this to my collection. Look. Gimme. Need a baby, Oh, eat. Ba ba ba. Ba ba.
Ba, 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 ba.
Well, let's talk about something when we're doing this.
Yep, you talk to your YouTubers.
Well, about Christmas,
Yeah, keep talking.
it's about when you, Mom, what's that? When you have a Christmas spirit that feels like Christmas, it's Christmas spirit. So,
Here.
then when you don't have the garbage away, put it away. Like the bags we have.
Yep. Don't put them away.
Some have some Lego extra pieces. Some are here.
Okay, you're in the way though. Daddy's trying to build your thing so you can show your YouTubers really fast.
So I'm trying to print some stuff out. That's all done. Then we come in and whoa. After that, Christmas Eve.
Okay, Daddy built it. Whatever it is. There it is.
You don't know.
Oh, is that the Santa throne where Santa sits?
Wait.
Hey, is that what that is?
Mom, what is this?
I think that's where Santa's gonna sit,
Yeah, I think so.
right? Santa will go right there. Oh, jeez, buddy.
You've got some,
No, I didn't forget. They gave us extras like usual.
that boy. I see
There,
some
see,
gold.
Santa will go like that.
I see some gold on the bottom.
Uh-huh. So, are we done?
I think so.
Okay.
But I was trying to show you every time when we're doing an advent.
Okay, what are you doing? Okay, we're running video here. Talk to your YouTubers. You're wasting film.
So we're gonna
Just keep going.
try to show you this. The back is awesome. Blah 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 blah. Awesome mushroom. But when you lose one of the pieces of this, don't worry. You can get another one.
Okay, are you all done?
Chit chat. But